Hey guys, Min here. So I don't know if you have the same problem I do, is that I have a QC35 headphone, wireless headphone from Bose, and the ear cushions started to peel. The sort of soft, leathery stuff started to peel off, and my face is just covered with this little black stuff. So in this video, I will try to replace this, and wish me luck. Alright, so I ordered this from Amazon. I think it's around 35 bucks or so. So there's plenty of others that's not Bose made, and I ordered the original factory Bose parts because I've ordered some that's non-Bose before and it didn't work out well for me. So I'll open up this thing and let's get started. Okay. All right, woo, nice. So inside there are little nicely wrapped packaging, and there are instructions. Great, because I did not know how to take this thing off. So, looks like to remove the ear cup cushion is pretty straightforward. You just pull it off and then remove the scrim. The only thing it says to do is to remove that. Oh, wow, it's that easy. It pulled off, and there's this screen portion that you're supposed to remove as well. Grab the edge and peel away. So it looks like this is it as well. Okay, so let me open up this sucker. And this was the left side, and there's this thing, so I can just, this is the old, and this is the new. Oh, there's a little bit of a crap left over, huh? Wow, inside is not much. I thought there was a lot more inside, but no. Remove the old sticky. There you go. Now, only thing I need to do is take this sticky off on the back and place it on. So, there you go. There you go. L. Okay. And then I put this on. There you go. All right, so that side's done. Let's do the other side. So this should be pretty easy on the other side. Now I just know how to do it. I think the hardest part is to actually peel off this sticker cover. Here we go. Without peeling off the actual sticker itself, the double-sided tape. Okay, all right. And now get the new one and just place it on there. And that's it. So that's it. That's pretty simple. It didn't take that long. It's pretty straightforward to remove the old ear cushion and remove the inside cover for the ear cushion, and now I'm done. So I hope this was helpful to you, and if it is, please give me a thumbs up. And yeah, pretty cool. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.